Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I'm here to remind you of the upcoming Show Us Your Boy doll collaboration and challenge. I do this with Gosha from Dolls, Trolls, and More, Cynthia from Ambrosia's Dollhouse, and Irene from Irene's Dolly Space. On the 15th of each month, we set up a collab, our challenge, for anyone that would love to join in with us with a boy doll. Boy dolls just don't get enough attention. And on the 25th, we show our videos of this coming month is going to be any rainbow high or shadow high boy doll. And the theme, of course, is Halloween. You can see that my Ash Silverstone has his raven, and he is ready for Halloween. And he always has the chicks hanging around him. Thank you for watching. Please go and see Gosha, Cynthia, and Irene's invitation today. We would love it if you participate. That's on the 25th of each month at 10 a.m. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.